Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to back up your computer to an external hard drive or a flash drive or to CDs even. So to do that, Windows 7 and even Windows 8, they have a built-in program that allow you to back up and restore your computer. So that's what we have open here is the backup and restore kind of wizard. To get to it, you can click Start and just type backup, or you can go to the control panel. And then here you see we have backup and restore. If your screen doesn't look like this, a lot of times it looks like the category view, then you just go up here to category and change it to either large or small icons. Again, go to backup and restore. So once you're in the backup and restore window, you want to have your external hard drive or jump drive plugged into the computer, and you want to click set up backup. So once you do that, it will determine, okay, what are my options for backing up? You can do the external hard drives, or you can do a network location, or you can even do DVD drives. So here we'd want to select the jump drive, and it's saying, here's a warning, other people might be able to access your backup, just because it's a local backup. So you click the location and click next. Then it's going to say let Windows choose kind of what it wants to back up, or let me choose. So typically I just let Windows choose unless there's something specific that you only want to back up certain things. So then you click next. It comes up here with a summary that it's going to back up all users, Windows default folders, locations, etc. And then it has a schedule so that you can set this to automatically back up. If you are going to use an external hard drive, I recommend that you run it yourself rather than doing a schedule, because you don't want it connected to the computer. A lot of times when backups are needed, it's because the computer gets infected or you have some ransomware that starts to encrypt files, and if your backup is hooked to your computer, it will also encrypt that data. So it's best to not have the backup there, or have a rotating backup where you plug the hard drive in, back it up, and then once a week you swap it out with a different hard drive and move things back and forth. But the local backup is a good option. I usually do mine once a month, and then I also do online backup. I use Carbonite and Backblaze, or you can use CrashPlan. I've got links to those in the description. So this shows you the summary. So you want to save the settings and run the backup. So when you do this, it will do the initial backup. So it does take a little bit of time, and it does go through the process. You can view the details of how long it's going to take and what it's doing and see all of that. You can stop the backup if it's causing your computer to be slow, and you can start it up again later. But this is really good, like I said, having a local backup. It's not the only backup that I suggest. You should also have an online backup, or move it to someone else's location just in case of catastrophic failure. If you were to have your house burned down, or if it's at a business location, if you were to be broken into and computer stolen, it's good to have an external backup as well. So I usually suggest local and online, and or local online as well as moving a physical local copy to another location. So this shows you the steps. Again, you can have it scheduled and you can leave it hooked up. It's just not recommended. But at least having a backup in place is better than not having one. If you have questions on how to do something on your computer though, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.